Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more banking comparisons. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the HSBC USA versus Harris debate, which bank reigns supreme. This video breaks down the features of both institutions to help you determine the best fit for your financial needs. For easy access, links to both banks are provided in the description below. Let's get started. HSBC USA distinguishes itself with its extensive global network, making it a prime choice for individuals who travel internationally or require banking services across borders. Their premier checking accounts offer perks such as fee-free international money transfers, access to a vast network of global ATMs, and dedicated customer support. Furthermore, HSBC provides premium benefits for clients with substantial balances, including higher interest rates on savings accounts and a wider array of investment options. However, HSBC's physical presence in the US is primarily concentrated on the East Coast. If you don't reside near a branch, this could be a significant drawback. Also, maintaining an HSBC account typically requires higher minimum balances to avoid monthly fees, which might pose a challenge for those with limited savings. Alternatively, Harris is a regional bank with a robust presence throughout the Midwest and parts of the West. It offers a more conventional banking experience, coupled with competitive features and lower account fees compared to HSBC. For instance, their Smart Advantage checking account waives the monthly fee if you fulfill simple requirements like establishing a direct deposit. Harris is also well regarded for its excellent customer service and intuitive mobile banking app. While it lacks the international reach of HSBC, Harris provides a comprehensive suite of personal banking services, encompassing mortgages, credit cards, and loans, all at competitive rates. For those seeking a local bank with transparent fee structures, Harris presents a compelling option. In summary, if international banking and global benefits are your priorities, HSBC USA emerges as the superior choice. Conversely, if you prefer a local banking experience with transparent fees, strong customer service, and a user-friendly mobile app, Harris could be the better fit. Be sure to check the description below for links to both banks and make the decision that best aligns with your specific financial requirements.